Open chapter 4, adding a cable tray. You can find the link of this exercise file below the description, in the description below the YouTube video. Double click to this link to download this exercise file to follow up with me. Right now I am here in this level 1 power plan, which is I am in correct plan. Let me go here to this electrical room. I can select, for example, this one. Let me take it to the left like this. You see I can move this panel left and right. I can change the location for this panel. So now the location here is good. Let us start draw cable tray. Now the cable tray, let's go here to system. Then you can find a special button for cable tray. So this is the category is cable tray, the family cable tray with fittings, and channel cable tray. If I click this type selector, then I can find different types of cable tray. And there is two families, one cable tray with fittings, other cable tray without fittings with different types. I want this one ladder cable tray. Now this ladder cable tray, it is width of this cable tray is 300, height is 100, mid elevation is 270, 50. So let me make it this one down. For example, 550 mm, around 570, 500 mm, like this. Now I can draw my cable tray. So let me start from here. This is my cable tray. It is near this conduit. Then I click up to here. And if I want to go up, let me go up from here. I can select to go to this 2 meter and 70. Let me zoom out to see where is my path. Then I can move, for example, up to here. Then I can go left up to here. Let me now zoom out to see where is my rooms. I can drag it. So now I have a better view. Let me move little bit here, more like this. Then I want to go to this side, but here I have a conduit on my way. So let me first stop here. Okay, now you see my cable tray already crossing with this conduit. So if I am, I have suspicious, I have some clashings here. So I can take this one. This is the cross section. I can move it up to here. Then I want this cross section. This one I don't need it. I need it like this. This is the zoom, the area. Then I want to extend it up to here. I can extend it. Then I can move this one up to here. So this is good. Oh, this panel is here. Let me shift this panel. So this panel, let me move it. So let me click from here, modify. Then I want to select this panel. Then I pick a new face. I want to change this panel location up to here. So here is good. Let me modify those arrows. I want those arrows to go like this. And this arrow, I needed to keep it far away from me. Like this. Now everything is good. So now I want to see if there is any clash. I have this one, the cross section is very long cross section. So I have to make double click here to open this cross section. Now let me check this areas. Now should be, this one is my cable tray to make it much more clear. From here I can make it fine. And now from here I can make it, for example, realistic, but I don't want to make Revit slower. So let me go again. I make it hidden line like this. So this is my cable tray. It's already under those conduits. And this is the one, the outlet of those conduits, those outlets. So my cable tray is down. I can, for example, click from this cable tray. I see this node. I can make right click. I can make, for example, create similar or draw a cable tray. Let me choose draw a cable tray. From here, I can, for example, I want to go a little bit down. I can go like this, little bit down. I can move like this. If this light, I have a clashing with this light, so I go a little bit, for example, up, then I can move like this. I can move. If you want, you can stop here. So this is how to make coordination. You see this one, this angle is not good to make this offset. So I need to make it much more up. You give me like this, that I can't. There is a problem. There is a problem on actual life at site. You can't do this cabinetry. So I make it little bit up. Now it give me, I can do it. So let me go like this. Now I have no clashing with lights. I stop here close to this wall. So from here, modify. So those room, I don't know what is those room. I can simply go here to analyze. Then this is the space tag. And so I can add tags. This is the exam room. This is the corridor. This is the office. And this is the storage area. I don't know why he put this one as an exam room. It should be electrical room. But we don't know what happened, but maybe because of the location. So this is the exam room. Let me see. Yes, this one is in the exam room. If this one is here in electrical room, then I will see this electrical room. So now I can move like this. Let me see where I am. Now this is my cabinet tray up to here. So I can click this one. No, I click something wrong. So let me choose this cabinet tray. From here, this node, I can right click, for example, draw cabinet tray or create similar. From here, create similar, you see I am from here free. So I see this circle. If you find this circle, which means this is the connection. Now I can draw the similar cable tray, 300 by 100. This is my new height. So let me go from, for example, like this. Then I go like this and I stop here. Now, if I stop here, you see, this is one I don't want it. I want to go down. So let me see Command Z. Then I want again up to here. Let me stop here. Then I want to go down. So from here, let me do it up to 500. Now is the new elevation 500. Let me see. So there is not enough to go like this. So I need again to click this one and I go a little bit more. Now I want to change it to 500. So the Revit is very smart up to here. Now it should be everything is perfect and all bends are obvious for me. So if, for example, I want to move this one, I want to move this section by arrows, I can, like this, I can extend it to where I need, or I want to move it like this, I can move it. You see Revit how is easily to make any modification. For example, I want this one, this line, I want to move this line. I can select any line of them, this one. I can select, now I can, you see, I can modify my cabinet tray. Let me go one more step, you will see, you will give me warning, for example, like this. So there is a problem in connections and something like this. So let me make from here cancel. And again, I have to select this line and I go left like this. So now I can make some modification and adjustment. Now, let me see this my cabinet tray on a 3D. If I click from here to 3D, now this cabinet tray, I believe it is not clear from here. This is my cabinet tray, but it is still not clear. So let me, I have another option. Let me go to this one. Let me make from here left to right. I don't want to select this space. From here, I want to make this selection. Let me go to modify first. Okay, now I don't want to select the space. Now let me make a rectangle. If you see, I have problem here because this is I can select this one. So this is why I have this problem, because this one I can select this architectural link and structural link. So I need to make those links unselectable. So I go here, for example, select bend element. I turn it off. When I turn it off now, I can't make any selection. So this is why I have this problem. It's good that we exposed to this problem. And now already I showed you how I can find solution. So let me from here again. So I don't want this space to come. I want to do the selection from here like this. I can make this select this window of the selection. Now all these already selected. Now I can go here. I have a new ribbon multi-select. So I can here go to view. You see this one selection box. Click this one selection box. Now you will have a new 3D view. If you go from here, you can make it fine. Now you see this cable ladder. You see this ladder. I can go from here, for example, you make it realistic like this. Now, as you notice, it is here. If you go here to view 3D, you can right click and rename it. For example, cable tray 3D, you can rename it. Now it's already renamed like this. So now if you want to see if there is any clashing, then you can click this shift key and press the mouse, the wheel mouse, shift key and the mouse, and the wheel mouse like this. So you can rotate this one. You see there is no any clash. If you notice, there is no any clash. All cable trays. This is what is very beautiful in Revit 3D. You see there is no any single clash. So this is my rooms like this. If you notice, this is the coordination that we can find it in Revit. If you want, you can click this square like this to see it much more better like this, and you can zoom in, you can zoom out. So this is another way how to draw a 3D modeling.